Well, if you're going to be outside today, maybe you should just stay inside. Maybe I was thinking through that. No, I think I just stay inside.
Yeah, no, stay inside. Have as many indoor plans as possible because you're going to need the AC because these temperatures could be at their highest so far this year with an afternoon high expected to be around 103 degrees. Now, the current temperature right now, 80 degrees, feels like 84 in San Antonio. Temperature-wise across South Texas, getting into the 80s for the majority of the region. The only spot that are still in the 70s is Hondo and Kerrville as well, but they should very well get into the 80s at least in the next hour or so. After midday, we should get into the 90s, and then we'll finally soar to the triple digits by 3 to 4 o'clock. And our afternoon high should be at around 103 degrees, which would make it the warmest day of the year so far in San Antonio. But of course, it's the humidity that gets you. And with the humidity, heat index values could range from 107 to 106 degrees. Similar values are expected for tomorrow as well, with an afternoon high expected to be around 102 degrees. So the upper level pattern that's causing all of this heat, a ridge of high pressure, is moving closer and closer to the region. And when that happens, it traps even more heat near the surface because high pressure acts as a lid. So all that warm air that typically rises in the summertime gets pushed back near the surface, and that's why these temperatures are higher than average. And we'll continue to see triple digit heat not only for the rest of the weekend, but for the entirety of next week as well. Afternoon highs should range from 102 to even 100 degrees, way above that normal high. So feels like temperatures as well for later this afternoon, quite extreme, 107 in San Antonio. We get into tomorrow afternoon and evening, 106 for San Antonio, 103 for New Braunfels, and 104 for Cotulla. Same thing is expected for Monday afternoon. So the National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for San Antonio, Atascosa County, and also for the I-35 corridor and all the counties east of I-35 as well. This is until Sunday evening, but I can foresee a scenario where they extend that heat advisory for at least a couple more days. And we have a weather impact alert until Tuesday evening, so for each afternoon until Tuesday evening. For heat index values ranging from 105 to 109 degrees, the need stay hydrated. We always preach this, but this is very important for this weekend because we'll experience the warmest temperatures of the year so far, and also take necessary breaks indoors with maximum AC. Another tip, also wear light colored and loose fitting clothing because the light colors reflect the heat better than other colors, and also limit overeating, lower caffeine intake and alcohol intake for the next couple of days because we want your body to preserve as much energy to fight the heat as much as possible. Looking at the futurecast, will be partly cloudy throughout the rest of the day, clearing up throughout the overnight. And then for tomorrow, mostly clear as well, but we could also experience an isolated shower, maybe a rumble of thunder for the hill country for tomorrow afternoon, but it'll be very short-lived, and the rest of South Texas will be completely dry for tomorrow as well. And then for Monday, sticking with the mostly clear and dry conditions. So as a matter of fact, the rain chances will be at around 0. Still not ruling out an isolated shower for the hill country. But for San Antonio and the rest of South Texas, 0% chance of rain until Thursday. And that's when a weak front will move through. Now, this front is not going to do anything in terms of the temperatures, but it will cause a 10% chance of an isolated shower or storm for Thursday and Friday afternoon. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. We have a weather impact alert until Tuesday evening for afternoon highs ranging from 103 to 102 degrees, and we will be mostly clear. We'll have a rain chance for next Thursday and Friday with an isolated shower and storm chance possible for the end of next week.